Today, on Your Best Here, we're discussing the Edison Generator. This comprehensive review covers everything you need to know before purchasing. I'll also share important alerts throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes. First, be cautious about where you buy the Edison Generator. It's only available on the official website, and I've included the link in the description below. What is the Edison Generator? The Edison Generator is an innovative device that uses thermal energy to generate electricity, and yes, it works. You can easily build it using materials from your local hardware store. The plans provide clear step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and a parts list, making it beginner-friendly. This generator honors Thomas Edison, who revolutionized electricity with inventions like the electric light bulb and phonograph. His legacy continues through the Edison Generator, allowing you to explore energy generation in your home. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before purchasing it. You can actually test the Edison Generator for 60 days, and if you don't see results or aren't satisfied for any reason, they will refund your money. So, feel secure using the Edison Generator, but make sure you're buying from the official site to enjoy the benefits of the guarantee. Furthermore, for the Edison Generator to work, you need to take the project seriously. If you can follow simple instructions and use basic tools, you can quickly assemble your generator. Many people complete the project over a weekend. Remember, I've left the link to the official website below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more tips and reviews like this one.